Hey guys, my name is Sarang Krish, and in this video, we will unbox and take a quick review on Samsung Galaxy J2 2017. Before we get started, if you like the video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, let's get to the unboxing. It is the box which Samsung Galaxy J2 come in. The back you will get some specification like Super AMOLED display. It also support OTG cable. It have LTE care for 150 MB per second. It have 1.3 GHz quad-core processor. You will get limit 11.95 cm QHD Super AMOLED display. Then let's peel the plastic off. I have purchased this phone from an offline shop which cost me around 6,200 rupees. I will leave the Amazon link in the description box below. It only supports Indian SIM card. Then let's take the device out from the box. I have purchased golden color here. It feels very light in the hand without battery. Then let's check out what all we get in the box. We get quick start guide in Hindi language also. We get Samsung typical charger. We get Samsung battery with 2000 amplifier. We get our ordinary Samsung travel adapter with output of 5V and 0.7 amplifier. Then we will give a first boot to the phone. Before we boot, let me put the battery. Then we can get to the quick review. It have 4.7-inch AMOLED display. In the back you will get 5 megapixel autofocus camera. In the front you will get 2 megapixel camera. In top you will get 3.5mm headphone jack. In left side you will get volume rockers, and in right side you will get power button. In bottom you will get micro USB port and a mic. It have Exynos 3475 chipset with 1.3 GHz quad-core processor. It comes in Lollipop 5.0.0. Then that's all for this video guys. Click the red subscribe button for more videos. Like and share this video. Then I will see you in the next one.